Hello, here is Olgan and ASG. Today I got for you a Samick Polaris recursive bow. We have already made a video about this particular bow. It's 68-inch long and 26 of drawing strand version. I also have another arms on it. But in today's video, the occasion is that I have my new slow-mo camera and I would like to try how this alloy Chinese arrows from AliExpress will be working and punching some things. I am not using my carbon arrows because probably it could damage the arrow because we will be shooting through plastic bottles and water and so on. But I would like to see how in slow-mo looks the bow, the recursive bow. There's a lot of vibration, you can feel it while using the arrow, losing the arrow. So basically we will try some shots and give you this raw footage of the slow-mo camera. I hope you enjoy and see you later.